Hello user, welcome to my channel. Today we'll understand the concept of class and object. You have seen in animations the house. If a house is an object, then blueprint, that means its map is known as class. So the object having the functionalities and their properties. So these functionality and property can be contained by the class, because class can hold the overall information about the object. So we have to start it theoretically first, which tells us how to create a class and its object. So here you can see a class is a keyword, and then after that within this tag I have written valid class name. A valid class name may be a valid variable name like ABC or whatever, and then after that curly braces start and close. Within this part, as I told you, object can have the property and behavior. So class should also have the property and behavior. So according to that, property means a variable like integer, character, float, and behavior like the methods. Method means functionality. So after that we can create the object with the help of class name, same class name whatever I have written here, and then after that object and equals to and new keyword. As I told, I mean to say, as we have learned in earlier chapter or earlier video, a new keyword provide the facility to make the memory arrangement for that, and then after that the same class name, and then this round bracket open and close. This round bracket open and close are considered as a constructor, and these are also the special methods of every class by which we can create the object of the particular class. So now we have to do it practically. So we have to click on our JCreator as IDE, and I click on the new file option, and then file name, my ch or class, and select the location where you want to save the file, and then press finish button. Now as you know, I will type here the comment which show the purpose: a program for class and object in Java. Here class, that is my class, and then curly bracket open close. Here main, here I will create the main section, that is main function. So public static void main, string argument, that is args. In this, suppose that if I'll write here system dot out dot println, and here say hi in Java. So I will compile it, and after that I will run it. You can see hi Java easily printed, but the main function is main entrance of the control of the Java program, and then after that it will automatically check whatever written inside there, and then after that it will print hi Java. So if I am going to create the object of the same class, I have to use the class name, that is my class, and then after that object, that is obj equals to new, and then my class. So here I have created the object by obj name, and then here is my class as a class name, and here is a default constructor, I mean to say a special function that allow us to create the object. Okay, so now we have to compile it, and now you can see the process is completed. I mean to say there is nothing to need to worry about that. Now we have to, as I told you, the class may contain the variables, I mean to say property and behavior. So property like int a, okay, and then after that behavior like void function. Within this I will write system dot out dot println. So inside that I will write a function. Okay, then after that you can see, if I will compile it, it will also show me the process is complete. Suppose that in this case I will try to just access the a means a variable a, by system dot out dot println inside that A. Now compile it. It will show definitely error. Why? Because this A is non-static function, or sorry, non-static data member. So whatever the non-static, I have to use the object. Okay, so I will use a class object, and then I will try to just access it by obj.a. You can see I have made the changes here. So obj, I have created object, and then after that when I'm using the A, it will show no error. So because obj.a, you can see here. So I will initially initiate it by value 100, and now compile it. So process is completed, and now you can see the 100 will automatically print here because I have used the object. Same method, if I use this particular function method without using object, it will also show me the error. Here you can see error. So to overcome the problem, to solve the problem, I have to use object dot function. Because it is function, I have to use the same protocol to call it. So compile it and then run it. Now you can see hi Java 100 a function. A function string is belong to a function, I will say function method. You can see that. Okay, so now suppose that if a question arises, why there is a need to make the main class. So here you can see, if I'll make the another class of this particular program, that is class J. Okay, so here J is a class, and here a function, that is void my function, my fun, and then here I'll type system.out.println. Within this I will just type the message, hi, I am a function from class J. Okay, so in this case, how I can access this particular function? To do that, I have to use the object of that particular class. So in this case, I will make another object of this class, that is J object, which denote that new, that is J. So now you can see I have to compile it. Now you can see their function is processed, and now I can J obj dot my function I can call. So in this case, there are two classes, and with the help of object I can access the outside of the class information also. So now you can see I have to run it. Now you can see that hi Java, it message generated by this particular first line after creation of the object of the same class, and then after the object A is recommended for this particular class, and then a function same, and hi, I am a function from J class. So you can see I can access the outside of the class contents also, I mean to say function data elements also. So object helpful for us to access the element of a class. In this case, we can say which one class is main class. So here you can see which class contain the main function is known as or considered as a main class. So I can make it public it also. Okay, now you can see public class my class, compile it, and now run it. Okay, so in this chapter or in this lesson, we have understand what is the importance of class and object and how object are helpful for us. So thank you and have a nice day.